Today we're making a Korean pork belly wrap. If you like pork belly as much as I do, make sure you watch till the very end. You will not be disappointed. Once cleaned, we want to transfer this nice big piece of pork belly into a big pot. Any ingredients I listed here. All my recipes are available in my bio link under Shan's written recipes and a personal website. Make sure you check it out. Now we simply bring this pot to boil. For the side dish, we're going to make this kimchi with daikon. You want to start off slicing the daikon really thin and cut it into this shredded texture. Transfer to a bowl and season it with some salt. Let it rest for 20 minutes so the water inside can be released. Now let's check back on the pork belly. It's boiling like crazy. So simmer it for at least 45 minutes on medium heat. For serving, we're going to slice up some garlic, jalapeno, which is optional. If you don't like it spicy, simply skip it. Some chopped scallion and diced garlic for the daikon kimchi we're going to finish up very soon. Wrapper-wise, we're going to need napa cabbage. Some recipes you may find people prepare it with some salt, white vinegar, and sugar. In this recipe, I simply steam them because it's easier to wrap. Once we transfer the pork belly onto a plate, let it cool off before we slice it. To finish up the daikon kimchi, you want to wash off excessive salt under running water a few times. Squeeze really hard before you transfer into a bowl. Now season it with ingredients I again listed here. Mix everything together until it's well seasoned. Try a few if you like. It's delicious. I was getting a little tired. A little stretch helped. Now we slice the pork belly into this juicy big yumminess. Here comes the final step. You simply place napa cabbage and pork belly onto a big plate. Add inside the dishes that we have prepared. It's ready to wrap. So the taste of this wrap is garlicky, spicy. It's packed with flavors from the daikon kimchi that's freshly made, as well as this fermented kimchi I added on the side. It's just a big burst of deliciousness. You have to try it. Let me know.